In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your organization logo to your Zoho Books profile. This process is straightforward but can be a crucial step in ensuring your business's branding is consistent across all platforms. So, let's get started. When you're on your Zoho Books homepage, take a look up at the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find the gear icon, which serves as your gateway to all the settings you'll need. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Once you've clicked, a variety of sections will appear, tailored to different aspects of your Zoho Books account. This is where you can customize and configure various settings for your account. What you're looking for is the Organization section. Within this section, there's something labeled as Profile. Give that a click. This area is essentially the dashboard for your organization's identity on Zoho Books, where you can manage everything from contact details to branding elements. Now, focus on the part where it mentions the organization logo. You should see an option to upload a file which will represent this logo. Click on this Upload feature. This action will prompt a dialog box or an upload window, depending on your browser and system, allowing you to navigate your computer's files. Here's a quick tip. Before you upload, make sure the logo file is readily accessible on your computer, perhaps on your desktop, or in an easy-to-find folder. This way, you can streamline the process without having to hunt for the file. Once the dialog box is open, navigate to the file location of your logo, select the file, and then click Open. Ensure the file you're selecting is the correct and most up-to-date version of your logo, and it's in the appropriate file format, such as JPEG or PNG, which are generally accepted across different platforms. Once your file is successfully uploaded, there's one last critical step. Look for a Save button on this page, which usually appears after an upload. Click on that to ensure all your changes are recorded and your new logo is set as part of your organization's profile in Zoho Books. And just like that, you're done. You've now successfully uploaded your organization's logo to your Zoho Books profile. This small yet significant change can help reinforce your brand identity every time you access your profile or share documents from Zoho Books. Remember, keeping your brand consistent across all platforms helps present a professional image to your clients and business partners. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more Zoho Books tips and tricks.